So, good morning. I want us to do a review of the Nofaya NF-521. So, this is one of the best thermal cameras that are budget friendly, costly. Yeah, they're not that costly as compared to other very high resolution thermal cameras. So here is the model number, the Nofaya NF-521. So some of the features it has a slot for SIM card. So this one is 16 gigs. That is how it gets done in. Then it has the slot for charging. Yeah, so this is where it is charged from. Then on this side it has two cameras. One is for the IR and one is for the imaging camera. Then it has the shutter button here. This is where you press when you want to do a picture. Then it has a screen here, not so big because the resolution is not that high, but it is still one of the best cameras when you don't consider price. Yeah, because there's much more good cameras than this. So let's power it on. Welcome screen. Yeah, so it has a couple of modes. Let me just zoom in. It has a couple of modes. This is the button for powering it on. Then we have buttons for scrolling. Then you can change from degrees to microfarad to Fahrenheit. You can reduce the emissions. Then you can check the files. Then you can come here. You can get more settings here, where you can change the language, date, image fusion. We have the alarm settings. Then it has automatic shutdown, to mean it can shut down within 15 minutes of not being used. And system info, let's check. Then I think those are the, you can access the images. Yeah, then it has different themes, this being one of them. We have this one, this is normal. We have this one. You can see my finger. You can see my finger. That is inside the gloves. Yeah, so it's a perfect one for use. My finger is about 32 degrees. Yes, this mode is one of the best modes, because it will give you edges. Yeah, it will give you edges of the device you're measuring. So you can see the edges of my fingers. It draws. It draws the edges of my fingers. Yeah, so it's a good thermal camera. I've been using it for quite a while, and I would recommend it if you're somebody who does not have a very high budget, because the resolution is quite low, but not as compared to the others. Yeah, so it performs anyway, and it works well. Yeah, that is it. I'll end the video now. You could purchase this if you are a beginner, because I'm yet to upgrade mine. Yeah.